Another auto show in China, Genesis has taken off the covers to the 2022 Electrified GV70. Following the Electrified G80 from Auto Shanghai 2021 in April, the Electrified GV70 is premiering today at the Auto Guangzhou 2021. The all-electric version of the GV70 SUV follows in the footsteps of the Electrified G80 sedan that was introduced earlier this year. It will launch in select markets from next year, and while pricing details haven't been confirmed, is expected to carry a premium over existing petrol and diesel models. From a visual standpoint, not much differentiates the Electrified GV70 from a standard model. The most significant change is the fitment of a revised G-matrix grille that houses a hidden EV charging port. The lack of tailpipes also helps to clean up the rear end of the electric SUV. Some minor changes have been made inside, including the fitment of paddle shifters to adjust the regenerative braking, a boost button, the steering wheel, a smaller central tunnel, and the use of more eco-friendly materials. Powering the Genesis Electrified GV70 are a pair of electric motors that combine to deliver 482 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet of torque in boost mode. This is enough to propel the SUV to 62 miles per hour in an impressive 4.5 seconds. Genesis hasn't revealed the capacity of the battery pack, but has confirmed it uses the same 400-volt or 800-volt multi-rapid charging technology as the likes of the smaller GV60 and the Hyundai Ioniq 5. Just 18 minutes are needed to charge the battery from 10 to 80% when plugged into a 350-kilowatt rapid charger. The Electrified GV70 can travel a claimed 400 km per charge on the Korean testing cycle. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are watching our channel first time, please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching.